Hello guys, so in this video you will learn about a very crucial and helpful function in Python, and it is the help function. So basically how this works is you pass whatever you want inside of it and it helps you. Sounds great, I think. So let's run this. So as you can see here, now that I passed the sorted function, you can see it would show me how to use it. So if I just clicked enter to get more, as you can see here, it shows me how to use it. So it's telling me to pass a table, and I don't know what's this, and a key, and we could reverse. So it will explain right now. So it returns, so basically this returns a new list containing all items from the iterable in ascending order. A custom key or a function can be supplied to customize the sort order, and the reverse flag can be set to request the result in descending order. So basically this explains it all. Now how this help function works, it basically calls or gets the comment in the function or a module or whatever. So if you create your own function and you want to get this help message, like, you would write it like this. So let's say this is example, and in Python we don't use capital. Okay, so let's say this is an example function. Let's first show you. If I pass this example function over here, example function, and I run this, you would notice that in the console I would get nothing. Okay, so I got I got just this comment, which is in the file itself, not in the function. If I want to get the function, a help message about the function, I can write a comment, a triple quoted comment. So here I can say, yeah, it doesn't return anything. So basically this could be a good, yeah, you should learn more about writing or documenting your code, but basically this is what's it's helpful for. Now in this scenario it may not seem like a big deal, but for other functions, for other people's functions, when you want to retrieve info about those functions, you can just type or you can just call the help function. Also you can, for example, if you have a huge software you are working on and like there's multiple files and you want to retrieve information about other files, you don't need to go browse the source code. Just call the help function, and if you wrote a good documentation, it would probably be so beneficial to you. So with that being said, let's see how this would be printed. If you run the code right now, you can see that the example function, this function, okay, I took a typo for you, but anyway, as an example to show the help function, how the help function works. So it doesn't return anything. This is a good message. You'll probably write how to call it, what arguments to pass, and so on. But yeah, you get the idea. So yeah, that's it for this function. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. To get more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and enable the notification bell, and share this video with a friend of yours if you think this will benefit them. And thank you for watching, and peace out.